Hello my beautiful people, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video I want to share this home spell of using rice with a salt. But in case you are new here on this channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the notification bell on. When I post my video, you'll be the first one to get my notification. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video and comment down below if you have any suggestion or you have any question. Today we have this spell of rice and salt bath when you at home. In case you are a woman, you are a man, just watch this video. It will helping you. Today we have these tips of a rice and salting bath. If you don't have any money and you want to receiving unexpected money from different place or different area or from the specific person, I will teaching you how the really you can using it right now and you can making money immediately after using this one. Not only about that, but if you want also to making someone attractive and also to making everyone out there around to your home place to be happy, to having peace of you and to having good relationship with you, this rice and salt is work, guys. So you need to try it and then you will see how the way it will work for you. But before we starting making this spell, make sure that you have a belief, you have a trust, you have a faith, and you have a passion to that this spell will work for you. And then we can proceeding doing our spell. So how you can make it? First of all, we need to find the white rice. You know, guys, there's a brown rice. This is a white rice. We need to having a white rice, as you can see to my video. This is the way how it look. The next is you need to having table salt. If you're getting a sea salt, also guys, use it. If you don't have a sea salt, using even a table salt, you will thank me later. So then after you're getting table salt and you're getting salt, now I will telling you how you can making this home spell. So first of all, you need to having water. This is my water, and make sure that that water, you're boiling the water and the water is hot. And after the water being hot, then you're taking your rice, and after taking your rice, you measure your rice by using your hand like this. As you can see it on my video, how the way I measure my rice into my hand. Then after you finishing measure my rice into your hand, you can pour it into the water. As you can see it on my video, how the way I pour the rice into my water. But because you will measure like this, it will be different, because you measure like this and do like wow, and you put it inside to the water. Then after you're finishing putting rice inside the water, remember I telling you that the water should be hot. So you're waiting for couple minutes until the water to be to cool down, and not couple minutes, couple hours. And then after the water cooling down, it means like the color of the water will become changing and becoming different way. How much size of water you need to having to making this? Make sure that you're using 3 liters of water, and then you're adding only 1 hand of rice and you're putting inside the water. So when you're waiting for a couple hours, maybe from 6 hours up to 12 hours, the color of the water will be changed and becoming like a rice water. After this water becoming like a rice water, it is the time that you're taking the table salt, or you can having a sea salt, or even if you're using sea salt, just taking it. Measure the salt, as you can see it on my video, how the way I measure my salt into my 1 hand also. And after I measure my salt into my hand, I also putting like this, using the way how I put, and then you do like this, and then you do like this, put the close and you put on the middle. After you're finishing doing like that, as you can see, we're putting around our salt and we putting like this and putting it here. Then we're keeping waiting and putting it together. We're keeping waiting also again for couple minutes or couple hours. When after you finishing waiting for this water, now the water is ready to use. So how the way you can using this water? The way you can using this water is a different way. Just taking this water and go and bath the water. If you want to straining the water before you go and bath it, make sure that you're straining it. And after you straining it, you can do this spell in any place of your home place. If you do it on the toilet, just do it. On the bathroom, just do it. Any place which you want is convenient to you to do, just do it. When you're taking the water, you need to chant it. You need to say what you really want. If you want to receiving money from a specific person, don't forget to mention his or her name. But if you don't have any place to receiving unexpected money, then you don't need to mention. You need to taking the water and bath yourself and say like you want to receiving unexpected money. Then after you finishing bathing this water, then you can go inside your home place. When you go inside your home place, after you finishing bath the water, you remember these things. You can throw these things out because this one will left. This one, the rice, as you can see, this is my rice. The one now which when you're straining it, this water before you bath, this one will left. The way which is left is taking this water and sprinkle it outside your home place. You do like this to outside your home place, and even if you want to do it to the door also, you can even do like this. You sprinkle this rice to the door, and while you said you want to receive unexpected money, and you sprinkle this rice to the door. You sprinkle the rice to attract money, and you sprinkle it outside around your home. If you're living to the place which you are not renting, you live to your home place which is convenient to do this. So do like this, just sprinkle. If you wanted to sprinkle all over your house, also sprinkle same rice. You can even waiting until this rice becoming dry, and then you can sprinkle it inside and outside your home, and then you can keep saying what you want. What you want to attract. If you want to attract money, just say it. If you want to attract the love from a specific person, also just say it. Then after you finish sprinkle it, just go and apply your normal lotion. So this is the way how it will work for you. So how many days you can take in this water and it can work for you easy and fast? This water you can take in maybe from 3 days, or you can do it for 7 days. It depending on your problem. If you do it for 3 days, just do it only one time is enough. And even if you do for 7 days, just do every day one time. So you do it for 7 days without stop. And then you will see how the way money will start to flow to you, money will start receiving, and love will start receiving, caring, happiness, and good cooperation. And don't forget about everything about the good luck. This is the way how the rice bath and salt is work. So I recommending you guys to try, and then you can see how the way it's work for you. If it didn't work for you, or if it don't work for you, the only thing which you need to do is putting your belief, your faith, your passion, and then you will see things how it will go. Very, very well and very small. Till next time, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.